What happens when you combine cutting-edge technology, Cold War urgency, and a bold engineering gamble? You get the F-111 Aardvark, one of the most unique and controversial aircraft ever built. Today, we're diving into fascinating facts about its development, design, operational history, and lasting legacy. Let's get into it.
The F-111 was developed under the U.S. Department of Defense's TFX, Tactical Fighter Experimental, program in the early 1960s. It was designed to meet both U.S. Air Force, USAF, and U.S. Navy requirements, a rare joint service attempt. The aircraft was the first production aircraft to feature variable sweep wings, allowing optimal performance at various speeds. General Dynamics was awarded the contract in 1962. The F-111 design beat out Boeing's proposal, which many considered superior for the Navy. The Navy ultimately rejected the F-111, leading to the development of the F-14 Tomcat instead. The F-111 was among the first aircraft to utilize terrain-following radar for low-level penetration. It featured side-by-side seating for the pilot and weapons systems officer. Its crew capsule could eject as a whole unit, instead of individual ejection seats. The F-111 used afterburning turbofan engines, the Pratt & Whitney TF-30. It had an internal weapons bay, uncommon for fighter aircraft at the time. The fuselage was designed to support a nuclear bomb payload, enabling deep strike capabilities. Early prototypes suffered from weight issues and engine reliability problems. Its swing-wing design allowed it to go from high-speed intercept mode to low-speed landing configuration. The F-111 could reach Mach 2.5 at altitude. The aircraft had a combat radius of over 1,300 miles, making it ideal for deep strike missions. The first flight occurred on December 21, 1964. The aircraft was officially introduced into USAF service in 1967. Development costs spiraled to over $5 billion, 1970s dollars, sparking political controversy. The design directly influenced later aircraft like the F-14 Tomcat and the B-1 Lancer. The F-111 first saw combat in the Vietnam War, conducting nighttime precision strikes. Its early Vietnam missions in 1968 were troubled. 3 of 6 deployed F-111s crashed due to design flaws. The aircraft returned to combat in Vietnam in 1972, Operation Linebacker, with much improved performance. It was nicknamed the Aardvark for its long nose and terrain-hugging ability.
The name Aardvark was unofficial during most of its career, officially adopted only at its retirement ceremony in 1996. It played a prominent role in the 1986 U.S. bombing of Libya, Operation El Dorado Canyon. The aircraft flew from bases in the UK to Libya, a round trip of over 6,400 miles, the longest fighter-bomber combat mission at that time. It served throughout the Cold War as a strategic bomber and electronic warfare aircraft. The F-111 never fired a shot in Operation Desert Storm, but it dropped more laser-guided bombs than any other aircraft. Its EF-111A Raven variant was used for electronic jamming and radar suppression. Australia was the only other country to operate the F-111, receiving customized variants, F-111C. The RAAF operated the F-111 from 1973 until 2010, calling it the Pig for its low-level strike capabilities. The aircraft was withdrawn from USAF service in 1996, replaced by the F-15E Strike Eagle and B-1B Lancer. The F-111 had an impressive combat loss record, with relatively few aircraft lost in hostile action. Many missions were flown at under 500 feet altitude, hugging terrain to avoid radar. F-111s were critical in developing modern precision strike tactics. In the 1980s, F-111s operated out of RAF Lakenheath in the UK as part of NATO defense plans. The FB-111s, a variant, served as a strategic bomber for the Strategic Air Command, SAC. The aircraft's internal bay was later adapted for precision-guided munitions. It was instrumental in demonstrating the viability of long-range, all-weather strike capability. Despite its rocky start, the F-111 became a symbol of American air power in the Cold War. The aircraft inspired books and documentaries highlighting its versatility and missions. The F-111 influenced the design of the Panavia Tornado used by European NATO members. It was featured in popular culture, including military video games and simulations like War Thunder and Ace Combat. Air shows frequently showcased the F-111's dump and burn afterburner trick, especially in Australia. Its nickname Aardvark and design made it a cult favorite among aviation enthusiasts. Retired F-111s are now on display in multiple aviation museums in the US and Australia. The F-111 highlighted the pitfalls of attempting one airframe for multiple service branches, influencing future design approaches. The F-111 Aardvark wasn't perfect, but it was revolutionary. From its swing wings to its terrain-hugging missions, it reshaped how air forces approached strike aircraft. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know what aircraft you want to see next. Thanks for watching.